This video is created for version 3.0 in CellSmartPOS, and in this video, I'll be showing you the purpose of the new plan management feature in CellSmartPOS. The plan management feature allows you to add a carrier plan while doing an activation, and lets you add any add-ons to the plans you create. This will help in keeping track of all the activations done in your store with their carrier information, and will allow your customers to have a written description of the carrier and add-ons they selected during the activation on their receipts. To create a new plan, you may click on the Admin Tools tab, then the drop-down menu for Settings, and then Plan Management. The Plan Management module is divided into two parts. The right side will show you your plan add-ons, and on the left side, it will show you the carrier plans you have created. To create a new plan, you may first create a new carrier. So let's create a new carrier by clicking on the plus icon. In the Master Carrier field, you may select the carrier you would like to create by clicking the drop-down menu. If you're not able to find your carrier, you may then select the master carrier for it. For example, if you're creating a straight talk carrier, which is not listed under the master carriers, you would select Sprint as your master carrier and enter Straight Talk as your carrier name because Straight Talk is a subsidiary of Sprint. So let's create a Boost Mobile carrier by selecting Boost Mobile as our master carrier and keeping the carrier name same, and we would go ahead and click Save. And now that we have created this carrier, let's visit the Boost Mobile website to see the plans that they offer. We can see that Boost Mobile offers a monthly plan for $35 including 1 GB of data. So let's go ahead and enter this plan in CellSmartPOS. So to create a new plan, we would click the New Plan button. Here we would select the carrier that we just created. So let's select Boost Mobile. And here we would enter the name of the plan. So let's enter $35, 1 GB data. And now let's enter the price for it in the bill amount and click Save to save this plan. Now, in order to view your carrier plans, you may first select your carrier, then click on the small plus icon to view your plans. Now, while we are doing an activation and a customer wants to add any additional plan services, we can create them here. So let's visit the Boost Mobile website and see the services they offer. So as we can see here, Boost Mobile offers the international calling add-ons. So let's try to create this $10 monthly add-on in CellSmartPOS. We would click the plus icon to create a new add-on, enter the name. So let's go ahead and enter the $10 monthly international. Enter the price. And let's click Save. We only want to select this add-on when doing a Boost Mobile activation. So we would select the Boost Mobile carrier, click the plus icon to view our plans, and select the plan we want this add-on to show up with. So let's click the $35 plan, click the Edit button, and select the add-ons you want for the plan. So let's select the international calling add-on and let's click Save. You also have the ability of editing or deleting these carrier plans and add-ons by simply selecting them and clicking on the Edit or Delete button. So now let's try to do an activation through the dashboard and add the new plans and add-ons we just created. So let's say we are activating a phone and we enter the IMEI number, press enter, and we'll be presented with the activation window. Here we choose our sales type, so let's select New Activation, enter the phone number of the customer if you have it with you, and next click the drop-down menu under Carriers to select Boost Mobile. You also have the option to create a new carrier by clicking on the Add New Carrier button. And now we can go ahead and select the plan that our customer would like to have. So let's select the plan that we just created. And once you select your plan, the add-on associated with the plan will show up in the add-on section. So let's select the $10 international add-on, and the total price changes accordingly. If you do not have the phone number that you will be using to activate the phone, you may go ahead and proceed with the transaction, and this activation will later fall in under pending activation, so you can enter that information later. So let's go ahead and proceed with the transaction and let's click Save. You can also view your plans and add-ons by clicking on the plus icon here. And now let's go ahead and click Checkout. Let's keep the payment method as cash and let's click Save. You can view your pending activation through the dashboard by clicking the Activation button. And here you can enter the information. So let's select our plan carrier by clicking under Plan Carrier, select our plan, enter the phone number, And let's go ahead and click Save. And now this activation is complete. And now if we go ahead and view our transaction receipt by going into Transactions, selecting your transaction and clicking on the View button, we can see the plans and the add-ons that we added to the activation. This will allow your customers to have a written description of the plans they selected and will allow you to keep track of your activations more accurately. And that's the purpose of the new plan management feature in CellSmartPOS.